Hello guys, Mehmet right here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the depth of field effect, which is like the blurriness as you can see right there, like it's out of focus. It's a pretty cool effect, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let's go into Cinema 4D. So, back to my other tutorial, which is how about to create this scene. I'll link it in the description. I'm going to do some changes with depth of field. So the first thing you want to check if your Cinema 4D version has the feature depth of field. So you go to render settings and go to effect and then depth of field. If your Cinema 4D doesn't have that, yeah, you might reconsider buying the full version, not the broadcast version. And yeah, I think every version 11.5 and 12 and 13 have this enabled. Well, whatever. Just we need to have it for this tutorial. So just enable it. So first of all, we're going to create a new camera, and I'm just holding down the light button and going to camera. So I'm going to dive into it by pressing this little red, no, not red. What I'm saying, this little cube right there. So now I'm in the camera. As you can see, the green line here. They're they're gone. So now I can look around in the camera, and I'm just going to rotate. Rotate the camera so it's right there. So we got a nice depth of field look right there. So now what we want to do is we want to click on the camera and go to the attributes panel and I'm going to click on depth. And I'm just going to enable front blur and rear blur. So this is the tricky part. We're going to set the camera focus, and right now it's focused, well, this center dot right here is the focus point of our camera. So we're going to rotate it, and now it's focused on the A. Well, we can see right there it's in the middle, but in depth we cannot see where it is. So we're going to press the middle mouse button, so mouse 3, and you can see this overview. And this overview is from the right, front, and from the top. Now we're going to use the top for this one, so I'm just going to zoom out. As you can see, if I enable front and rear blur, they're going to appear some lines. So let's see. If we enable front blur, there it is. We got this one, and rear blur, we got this one. So these are the gradients where it needs to be focused. So in the middle here, it's focused. This is the focus point, and out here it's unfocused. So it's not like blurry. So this we want to hold and drag all the way down until we hit the letter we want. So I'm gonna go for the A, and now I'm gonna drag the front blur. Gonna drag it to right about there. So like the edge of the L is going to be the blur. I'm gonna do the same with the rear blur right there. And if I render this, I'm just gonna disable global illumination for a second because it will take longer. You can see we got this depth of field look, which is pretty awesome. So now if I render this with total, so global illumination on, it's gonna take a while because first it needs to do the global illumination and then it needs to calculate the depth info. So we just might to wait a few seconds. So yeah, so this is already looking pretty cool. So yeah, this is all about the depth of field tutorial. I hope you guys like it. It's not very long, it's just short and how to use it. And well, yeah, I'm just gonna render the total bit like a PNG. So again, PNG, save it as tutorial 2 right there, and I'm gonna render it out. And there we go, almost there. Right there. So where is it? Where did I save it? Damn it, I forgot desktop. Ah, there it is. So yeah, this is the final result.